We are a team of 12 engineers from the Polytechnical University of Catalunya. Our goal is to win the international competition of MotoStudent with a motorcycle 100% electric. It won't be easy because we will be racing against 46 teams from 15 different countries, but we have been working hard for 2 years to get here. Our effort and work is essential for the development of a new prototype, but the most essential part of the project is you. We are actually facing the manufacturing phase, the most expected and the most beautiful one. It's the big moment when our designs and calculations comes to the life. Thanks to all the sponsoring companies and the individual collaborators like you, we will be able to reach MotoSpirit dream. Bring your spark to MotoSpirit.